Download this code from codegib.com, link in the description below. OK, let's break down the potential issues related to Ollama models issue 558 in the context of a Stackblitz Labs, Bolt, presumably a Bolt framework app or similar, DIY, do-it-yourself, project, complete with code examples to help illustrate common pitfalls and solutions. Understanding the context, Ollama, issue 558, Stackblitz Labs, Bolt, DIY. Before diving into the code, let's define what these terms likely represent. Ollama is a tool for running and managing large language models, LLMs, locally. It makes it easier to download, run, and serve these models on your own machine. Issue 558 *. This is a specific bug or feature request tracked in the Ollama project's issue tracker, typically on GitHub. Unfortunately, without knowing the exact Ollama repository, example Ollama/Ollama, it's impossible to know the specific details. However, we can assume it involves some problem, limitation, or desired enhancement related to Ollama's functionality. We'll discuss common potential problems. Stackblitz Labs Stackblitz Labs provides online development environments. It is an online IDE running in your web browser. This means you don't need to install dependencies and run the code in the same way as if you have a development environment set up on your computer. Bolt Bolt is a name often used for Slack's Bolt framework for building Slack apps in Node.js or Python. It provides a higher-level abstraction over the Slack API, simplifying common tasks. It can also refer to BoltDB database. We will assume Bolt is the name of some framework app or something similar. DIY do-it-yourself suggests that you are building this project from scratch or with minimal external assistance, likely tailoring it to a specific need. Assumptions Given the context, here's a reasonable scenario we'll use for this tutorial. You're trying to integrate Ollama, running LLMs, into a Bolt application, or some application with a similar framework. This application is running in Stackblitz Labs as a DIY project. You are encountering a problem related to issue 558, which will generalize to common Ollama-related issues. Potential problems, generalizing issue 558. Based on typical LLM/Ollama integration scenarios, here are common problems you might face. 1. Ollama server not accessible. The Bolt application in Stackblitz Labs cannot connect to the Ollama server. This could be due to network configuration, incorrect host/port settings, firewall issues, or Ollama not running correctly. 2. Model loading/compatibility issues. Ollama might fail to load the specific LLM model you are trying to use, or the model might not be compatible with the Ollama version. 3. Input/output handling. Problems with how the Bolt app sends prompts to Ollama and processes the LLM's responses. This could involve formatting errors, encoding issues, or handling large responses. 4. Rate limiting/resource constraints. Ollama might be overloaded if the Bolt app makes too many requests too quickly, or the Stackblitz Labs environment might have resource limitations. 5. Authentication/authorization. If Ollama requires authentication, the Bolt app might not be configured to provide the correct credentials. 6. Dependency conflicts. Conflicting package versions or missing dependencies in your Stackblitz environment. 7. Stackblitz limitations. Stackblitz Labs imposes certain restrictions on network access and resource usage. These can sometimes interfere with Ollama integration. Tutorial, addressing common Ollama integration problems in Stackblitz Labs with Bolt, DIY. We will focus on a JavaScript example as that is most likely to be the language used in Stackblitz. Step 1, Setting up the Stackblitz project. 1. Create a new project *. Go to Stackblitz and create a new Node.js or JavaScript project. Choose a template that suits your needs, example a simple web server or a basic Node.js project. 2. Install dependencies *. You'll need to install the Bolt framework, or your Bolt-like equivalent, and any other libraries you need to interact with Ollama. Note: if it is not a Slack Bolt app, then the @slack/bolt package will likely be changed to some framework/app name or be removed completely. Step 2. Ollama setup, outside Stackblitz. Install Ollama install Ollama on your local machine or a server accessible from Stackblitz. You can find installation instructions at the Ollama official website. Pull a model use Ollama to download the LLM model you want to use. Note: the model depends on your desired application. Run Ollama start the Ollama server. Step 3. Code example, simplified. Here's a basic example demonstrating how to send a prompt to Ollama and handle the response within a Stackblitz/Bolt-like environment. Explanation *. 1. Dependencies * imports at Slack/Bolt, or your framework, and Node fetch for making HTTP requests. 2. Ollama configuration * defines constants for the Ollama server host, Ollama_host, and the model name, model_name. Use environment variables so you can easily change these without modifying the code. 3. Query Ollama function *. This function sends a post request to the Ollama/API/generate endpoint. It constructs the request body with the model name and the user's prompt. The stream, false option indicates that we want the full response at once, not a streaming response. Set it to true if you want streaming. Error handling. It includes error handling to catch potential issues with the network request or Ollama API. Crucially, it logs the full error response body, await response.txt, to help with debugging. 4. Message event handler *. The app message, Ollama, part defines a handler that is triggered when a message containing the word Ollama is received, in Slack. Adapt to your framework's event mechanism. It extracts the user's prompt from the message text, after the Ollama keyword. It calls the query Ollama function to get the LLM's response. It sends the response back to the user using say. Robust error handling. It includes a try, catch block to handle errors that might occur during the processing of the Ollama request. 5. App startup * starts the application. Step 4. Addressing common problems, relating to issue 558. Now, let's address the potential problems we identified earlier. 1. Ollama server not accessible, network issues. Check Ollama is running *. Ensure the Ollama server is running on your local machine or a server accessible from Stackblitz. Firewall * make sure your firewall is not blocking connections to the Ollama server's port, usually 11434. Cores, cross-origin resource sharing. If you're accessing Ollama from a different domain, example Stackblitz is on a different domain than where Ollama is running, you might need to configure cores on the Ollama server. Ollama may have a setting to enable cores, or you may need a reverse proxy to handle cores. Stackblitz network restrictions. Stackblitz has network restrictions. You may need to use a service like ngrok or local tunnel to expose your local Ollama server to a public URL that Stackblitz can access. This is very common when working with services running locally from Stackblitz. You'll start ngrok HTTP 11434, or whatever port Ollama uses, on your local machine, and then use the ngrok URL in your Stackblitz code for Ollama_host. Asterisk environment variables asterisk use environment variables for Ollama_host and Ollama_port. This makes it easier to change the settings without modifying your code. 2 Model loading / compatibility issues asterisk verify model name asterisk double check that you're using the correct model name, example Llama 2, Mistral I / Mistral 7B Instruct v0.1. Model names are case sensitive. Asterisk Ollama version asterisk ensure your Ollama version is up to date. Older versions might not support certain models. Asterisk model files asterisk make sure the model files are correctly downloaded and located in the Ollama models directory. You can usually find this directory by checking the Ollama documentation or configuration. Asterisk check Ollama logs asterisk examine the Ollama server logs for any errors related to model loading. These logs will often provide valuable clues about the cause of the problem. 3 Input/output handling asterisk prompt formatting asterisk ensure your prompts are properly formatted. Some models require specific formatting or prefixes. Consult the model's documentation. Asterisk encoding asterisk use UTF-8 encoding for both the prompts you send to Ollama and the responses you receive. Asterisk large responses asterisk if the LLM is generating very large responses, consider using the stream, true option in the Ollama API request. This allows you to process the response in chunks, which can be more efficient. Asterisk JSON parsing asterisk double check that you are correctly parsing the JSON response from the Ollama API. 4 Rate limiting / resource constraints asterisk introduce delays asterisk add delays between requests to Ollama to avoid overwhelming the server. Use set timeout or promise.delay for this. Asterisk queue requests asterisk implement a queue to manage the flow of requests to Ollama. This can help prevent your application from sending too many requests at once. Asterisk Stackblitz limits asterisk be aware of Stackblitz's resource limitations. If your application is consuming too much CPU or memory, Stackblitz might terminate it. Optimize your code and use resources efficiently. 5 Authentication / authorization, if required. Asterisk API keys / tokens asterisk if Ollama requires authentication, make sure you are providing the correct API keys or tokens in your requests. Store these keys securely using environment variables. Asterisk headers asterisk include the authentication credentials in the appropriate headers, example authorization, bearer token. 6 Dependency conflicts asterisk package lock.json asterisk use a package lock.json file to ensure that everyone on the team is using the same versions of dependencies. Asterisk version pinning asterisk pin the versions of your dependencies in your package.json file to avoid unexpected updates that might break your code. Asterisk check for conflicts asterisk use npm-ls or yarn list to check for dependency conflicts. 7 Stackblitz limitations asterisk network access asterisk be aware of Stackblitz's network restrictions. You might need to use ngrok or a similar service to expose your local Ollama server. Asterisk file system access asterisk Stackblitz's file system is ephemeral, it disappears when you close the browser. Don't rely on storing persistent data in the Stackblitz file system. Asterisk environment variables asterisk use Stackblitz's environment variable feature to store sensitive information like API keys and tokens. Step 5, Debugging tips asterisk console logging asterisk use console.log, statements liberally to track the flow of your code and inspect the values of variables. Asterisk error messages asterisk pay close attention to error messages. They often provide valuable clues about the cause of the problem. Asterisk network tab asterisk use your browser's developer tools, network tab, to inspect the HTTP requests and responses between your application and the Ollama server. Ollama logs * check the Ollama server logs for any errors or warnings. Example of using ngrok to expose Ollama *. 1. Install ngrok * install ngrok on your local machine. 2. Run ngrok * start ngrok to expose the Ollama port, 11434 by default. Ngrok will provide you with a public URL, example https://1234abcd.ngrok.io. 3. Update Ollama _host * in your Stackblitz project, set the Ollama _host environment variable to the ngrok URL. Important considerations for issue 558 *. Specificity is key * without knowing the exact details of issue 558, it's impossible to provide a precise solution. If you can find more information about issue 558, example on GitHub, tailor your debugging and problem-solving efforts accordingly. Reproducibility * try to create a minimal reproducible example that demonstrates the problem. This will make it easier for others to help you. By following these steps and carefully debugging your code, you should be able to resolve most common Ollama integration problems in Stackblitz labs with your Bolt, or Bolt-like, DIY project. Remember to consult the Ollama documentation and the documentation for your chosen framework for more detailed information. Good luck.